You know, we need quick, we need fast, we need easy, but most of all, we need delicious. I've got my Willie's amagwinya and I've got some mince. Let's get cooking. Don't be shy with the oil that you're using. Remember, fat carries flavor and water carries color. So if you want to carry that curry flavor through the dish, add enough oil to your pan. A little bit of salt on the onions draws out the moisture so they steam as they fry. That way they're going to get soft really quickly. Now that the onions are colored, we're going to add our garlic, ginger and turmeric. In the world of speedy cooking, instant flavor is a big thing, and canned ingredients have that, especially chakalaka. It's got veggies in there, it's got spice in there, it's got all the character that you want to make this dish epic. So usually I would add the mince to the pan long before I even fry up the onions, and that's to get the crust on the meat. I don't want the crust today, I just want the flavor and to cook it to this beautiful sauce to become soft, delicate, but full of flavor. So we're gonna season, and that's a trick to a good dish. Season as you go. Our spicy mince needs about 5 minutes, which is perfect because our amagwinya need 5 minutes in the air fryer. Leaves us enough time to make a little spicy herby number as well. I've got spring onion, mint coriander, and of course, red chili, because why not? You want to get these hot, okay? What's also cool is you can serve all the elements like on a platter and everybody can build their own, but just for you, we're gonna build one. Quick, check. Easy to make, check. Full of flavor, guaranteed. The only thing we have to do now is take a bite. Mmm, mmm.